he got a little bit of air. What is going on, guys? We bought 2 go-karts for $25 a few months ago from our friend Thomas, and we've been saving them to do a budget build. Well, today, we're gonna try to throw this thing together for as cheap as we possibly can. It has a Tecumseh engine on it. It doesn't have front wheels, the steering's locked, and it's really, really, really small. It's a children's go-kart. So, we can find a pull cover to put on this Tecumseh, or we can scrounge and see what we have laying around.
Man, I'm telling you, this engine is absolute garbage.
You wanna drop the carburetor and just take a look?
Mm-hmm.
All right, I'm down.
All right.
Oh! Are you serious? Nah.
Take a big whiff. All right, what do you think it's gonna look like on the inside here? I'm gonna say...
Like it's had water in it, maybe?
Yeah, I'm gonna say it's got water in it.
Yep.
Yeah, it's rusty. It doesn't feel great, dude. You're watching, huh? Watching for spark?
Yes, sir.
All right, here we go.
So behind the seat, I found an 18mm socket.
Thanks, Mom.
What do you think an 18mm socket's worth, man?
About $2.
$2 in mint condition, because this one isn't.
Is it a Craftsman? Yes!
Yeah.
I wonder if...
Wait, dude, warranty, right?
Yeah, but they don't warranty rust. Take a dollar or two off.
Take $1 off, all right. So we're down to the 1150 go-kart.
We got spark!
Ayo! Dude, can we just crank it over like that?
Maybe.
Or, yeah. I don't see why not. Will we have cooling problems if we leave it open like that?
No.
Okay, cool.
Well, let me put the spark plug in and see if it'll even spin it over.
Oh, true.
I've never tried this before, so.
Well, it probably just doesn't have any compression, dude. You hear that? Nice filter.
Yeah.
I've seen worse. Not great, but you know. It's a $12 go-kart.
Man.
What's up, man?
Maybe we ought to check the oil first.
Remember that $50 go-kart had water in it, dude?
Yeah.
That's classic.
Whoa! I don't think she's got much compression.
I mean, but she'll probably run, right?
Maybe we ought to take the valve cover off and check.
Valve adjustment.
Probably a stuck valve. There we go. There it is, right there. Here, I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about with the stuck valve. Just keep an eye on that one, and that one's gonna be acting right. Oh.
Oh.
Yep. See the push rod right there activating, but it's not.
Yep. Huh.
Yep. So what we're gonna do?
Bless it.
Yeah.
Nice.
Something I learned in the Navy. Never been in the Navy.
You can hear it. It's working.
It's already done.
Yeah, it's popped up.
Now we're gonna spin it over.
Nice, dude. Hey, it runs though, man.
It runs.
And I didn't hear it knock. It just flung dirt everywhere.
Dude, my leg was on the back tire.
Oh,
Look at that.
wow. It got you.
Yeah. I think what we've got, if we look inside the carburetor, the throttle's stuck open.
Oh yeah, she's quarter of the way open.
Well, you know, before messing too much, let's drop the bowl and see if it's even salvageable. I'm gonna say this is full of corrosion and water.
Yep.
It's full of corrosion. No
Not
water.
full of water, but it's...
But it's
Wow.
crusty. I don't think there's any saving this carburetor. If there's any saving that's gonna be done to it, we gotta take it off and
soak it. Oh, nice.
That looks like water. Is that all I got?
That's
There
the
we
fuel
go.
line?
Yeah.
Yeah,
That looks like water, dude.
it's not good.
That pin is about rusted in two, and it's swelled up to the point where I don't think I can hammer it out. I'm a little worried in the center of this pin. It's so badly rusted, it's almost 8 in 2. But, pulled out.
Sweet. It's pretty rusty, but could be worse.
Sure, it could be worse. Check out the needle right there in the seat.
All right.
She's pretty bad. Yes!
Dude.
So, looks like we're done with this carburetor because the rubber seal that goes in there that the needle presses on had completely swelled up and was no longer any good.
But we have this. And I was like, man, is there any way that we can make a new seal for the needle valve? And Ike was like, man, maybe if we grab an eraser, turn it down, drill a hole in it, make it fit. So that's what we're going to try to do because we're trying to keep this as low buck as possible.
There we go. Does that look good to you?
Yeah.
Whoa!
Nice. We're just putting some gas in the tank and we're going to see what comes out of the fuel line, if anything. Anything?
A little bit, but not hardly anything. Let's put some more in it. That ought to be plenty.
Yeah, still, yeah, really nothing, man.
Should be a lot faster now. Or not. It's not very much, but should be enough to get it running. We probably have a clogged up idle circuit.
We just decided that since we're having idling problems, we're just going to bite the bullet and put the Go Power Sports carburetor on there. So even though we got the carburetor new and they retail for $27,
It's used.
it's used because this isn't the first application we're putting on. So what do you want to say, $10 or $15?
10.
$10. So that brings
Because I'm not going to give $15 for a used.
go-kart carburetor.
Yeah.
Yeah, you lowball.
Especially for a Tecumseh.
New carburetor is installed. Fired up. It idles. Let me check and see if this works. Ayo.
Dang!
And the kill switch works. Dude, it's amazing what a new carburetor does.
Yeah.
That was $10 well spent.
It's like the only thing we lack now is some front tires and a pull cord and we can go for a ride.
All right, so we're robbing this pull starter off of our spare old Tecumseh engine. If you were to go to the junkyard, you know, and grab one of these pull starters, I don't see why anyone would ask more than $5 for one. That's pretty rusty in there, dude. That is it.
Dang! That one doesn't work, but this one does.
Something more important anyway.
Yeah.
Front wheels is the only thing holding us back right now.
Alright, so we got to go get a hub.
Yes.
I got an idea where one is.
Your best buddy over there, man.
Your best buddy.
No, you guys are definitely closer than we are.
Oh, he spotted you.
Oh, yeah.
Spotted you.
All right, so this is the other go-kart that we bought in the 2 for $25 package. Yeah, this one's a lot crappier than I remember it being.
One hub and 2 nuts. Would you take $8 for it?
Yeah, I'll take $8. You know? Well, the deal was you're only going to take 1 hub and 2 nuts. Now you have 2 wheels? Price has gone up, dude.
No. I'm taking it in to work on it. So
Oh.
you can kiss my butt. I got a problem with your pricing and parts.
What's up?
These nuts are the wrong
The wrong thread, huh?
Yep.
Well, there's no warranty or guarantee on anything.
He doesn't like that.
Still frozen?
Yep. The inside one's, oh, just freed up. I didn't hammer on the center, which I would normally tell you no, but it's not like I'm gonna hurt anything. Now, I'm putting it on, it's on all the way. Axle ain't even poking out. Oh yeah,
That one works.
that one works.
So we need to grab a bearing.
Yeah. Sure, we got used bearings hanging around. There we go. Bingo. Nope.
Huh.
This one on this side doesn't stick out far enough.
To really thread on.
Yeah. So I'm gonna take this wheel off and I'm gonna see if I can hammer out this bearing and see if there's a way I can do something to get the bearings closer together. Or we can just ride with it like this.
Let's see what happens.
Let's see what happens. Hopefully we won't lose. Fortunately, with the way it's turning, it should tighten it as we go.
Down. You want to just give it a shot?
We're ready then.
All right. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot! No.
Yeah, buddy!
You get to drive the cheap heap.
The cheap heat.
There you go, dog. Alright, so we're going to do a race real quick. Ike is going to do 2 laps, then I'm going to do 2 laps. Rallycross, right? Because it's off-road and on-road.
Yeah.
Alright, man, I'll get a timer. This is the start line.
Alright.
Be safe. On your mark, get set, go. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. He's hauling, folks. No! Hey, you better hop out and restart it, man. Clocks are ticking. Whoa, cut off the bed. One lap. Ooh, he got a little bit of air. Minute and 9 seconds.
You're next.
It was smoking.
Smoking?
It started smoking.
Okay, well, it'll be alright.
Ready? Mark, get set, go!
Let's go!
Nice.
Come on. Let's go.
Oh, yes!
No!
Yes!
No!
Yes!
Max doesn't have a power to get me up the hill. It's literally possible.
Not looking good. God.
Come on.
Oh, there's a car! There's a car! But he'll be alright. And It was rough, wasn't it? It was rough.
I broke this. Oh no, it works.
So, what was your,
Oh, I'm gonna guess like 122.
what was my time?
109.
And I had to crank it up.
Well, I had to get out and help it down the hill.
It was not 122.
132.
No, you did better than
I'm
that.
going the wrong way.
You're going the wrong way.
118.
117.16.
Not bad.
Not bad at all for spinning this thing out.
Yeah, I didn't think
Yeah.
it could spin out. I thought it was just gonna flip.
Oh man, it was looking, yeah, it kind of
That
looked,
second time I was like, I'm gonna flip.
yeah, it looked pretty bad, dude.
All right.
Not bad.
I got a migraine headache now.
You know, this thing wouldn't be bad if we took the governor out.
no.
Doesn't it feel like it's got great pickup?
Yeah, it does. Yeah.
But then all of a sudden the governor kicks in and it slows it down like 3 or 4 miles per hour and then it kicks on again.
Yeah. So the final tally is $12.50 for the go-kart, minus $1 for the 18mm socket we found in it, plus $10 for the used carburetor, plus $5 for the used pull cord, $1.75 for those nuts for the front spindles. We ended up not using those front tires, wheels and tires and hubs we robbed off of the other go-kart, so we're not adding that to the final price. Came up with $28.25.
That's a deal.
Yeah, that is really not bad for like, you know, an afternoon of fun. You know, it's something to tinker on is what it is, you know. If you're like in college or you don't have the space or you don't have the money for like a big car project, this is like the next best thing. Arguably more fun in some cases because it costs you $28. Like if you crash it, okay, like you could get hurt. That's a real possibility. But like if you break something on it, you're in it $28. Anyway, if you want to see more like cheap stuff, let us know. I think it's a lot of fun. I think it's been a while since we've done stuff like this, but it really reminds me of like the $50 go-kart days and stuff like that. Kind of back to our roots and what we used to do. So anyway, let us know and hit the thumbs up button if you want to see more videos like it. Anyway, check us out on Facebook and Instagram at Cars and Cameras Reviews.
Check me out at Isaac It'll Be Fine.
And of course, if you don't feel like doing everything low buck yourself, visit GoPowersports.com for all your go-kart part needs. I mean, the carburetors from Go Power Sports, that's $27 or $29, $27 on their website. But we had it and we pulled it off of another Tecumseh, so we're calling it used. Anyway, support the channel by buying some merchandise at cars-cameras.com. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press the little notification bell. Ring the little notification bell to receive notifications from us every time we upload. Anyway, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.